kidding. Just kidding.
That was Becky Maxwell when I put this on YouTube. Are you embarrassed, Emily?
He almost did it, though.